Hello and welcome to my music challenge. In this series, I will create one beat for each of the top 20 trending music styles. I will change my gear for every video to make this more fun and interesting. And to help me out, ChatGPT will explain the basics of each style before I starting making beats. Can I create something amazing or will completely fail? Let's find out together. Don't forget like this video, subscribe to the channel and enjoy! The first challenge is to make a beat in synth-pop style. Let's start with the basics. What is the synth-pop? According to ChatGPT, it's all about catchy melodies, electronic instruments, and a retro-futuristic vibe. Synthesizers are heart of these styles, combined with electronic drums and simple chord progressions. Doesn't sound too complicated, right? I also asked ChatGPT for some iconic synth-pop artists and tracks. Aha, The Weeknd, Depeche Mode, and more and more. I think we all know at least one song from this list. I went back to listen to them for inspiration and to get into the synth-pop mood. For this challenge, I will be using the Yamaha Seqtraq. It has a ton of great synth sounds, are perfect for synth pop. I bought it 2 weeks ago, and this will be my first real project with it. So let's see what it can do. I always like starting with drums. For me, it's foundation for any track. Since I wasn't sure about typical synth-pop drum patterns and BPM, I asked a ChatGPT for help. It suggests a few patterns and BPMs, and I picked one. Now let's build the drum pattern on Yamaha Seqtraq. Let's start the thin sound for kick. This one I think will be great. Set pattern from ChatGPT patterns. Let's hear. So nice. Thin snare sound. Set the pattern, and here again. Then closed hi-hats, open hi-hats, toms, and claps. Let's hear the full drum patterns. So groovy, right? Next up, the bass line. For synth-pop, it needs to be fat and electronic. So I found a sound that fits perfectly. Then I record a simple progression. And wow, it's really starting to come together. The most important part for synth-pop is just the synths. I want the first layer of synths like this. Oh my god, Seqtraq synth is so incredible. Next, I add a second layer, a bright, catchy melody for that classic synth-pop vibe. So nice. And now we have got a solid chorus section. What do you think? Does it sound like synth-pop or something else? I added a few more parts for the track, add some effects and did some quick mastering. Now it's time to play the full track live. What do you think of the final track? Let me know in the comments. For me, it's a great starting point for a full track and awesome way to learn more about beatmaking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell to support the channel. See you in the next episodes, where I will create another beat in another music styles. Bye!